Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to day 17. I have to check. Day 17. It is Sunday, the 5th of April. So thanks for tuning in today and all the other days. I know there's loads of you that tune in from all over the globe. So it's really nice to have you there. Today's song is a song of, I suppose, love unrequited. Yesterday, as somebody pointed out to me, we did a song about, we did Take You Home Again, Kathleen, which is about being homesick. And being homesick has taken on a whole new meaning these days with all the time we're spending at home. In any case, today's song is Unrequited Love, but it's a song that's that everyone is very fond of. And it's called Love is Pleasing. Sometimes it's called Love is Teasing. And sometimes it's called I Can't Believe, or I Never Thought My Love Would Leave Me. That's another title for it. And the verses, it's the jury is out as to when it was written, because they say that it has all these floating verses that appear from other songs, that some of the verses go back to the 17th century, and some of them are maybe younger than that. But it was a nice little happy marriage of all these verses. And my favorite line in it is, what can't be cured must be endured. And let that be a lesson to us all. And if you needn't endure it either, you could maybe enjoy it. So I want to play it especially for Tim Dennehy that tunes in every day. And for Nick and Colleen out in California. Nick had a health blip there for a couple of days, and hopefully he's on the mend now. We send, and all the dervishes I know send you the very, very best of health. And also for Kathy Tully Schindler out there, and for Carmel and Brian Layden. Carmel actually requested, I do take requests, so all these songs are coming in on request, so there's a kind of a rota, and then the odd day I'll do what I like. But Carmel and Brian were requesting the crystal the crystal chandeliers, and I'm afraid that only comes out at 5 a.m, not 5 p.m. So when there's a few drinks in and when every other song has been sung. So I'm afraid your luck is wet there, Carol. But in the not too distant future, maybe we'll sing it in your house at 5 a.m. I'd also like to give a shout out to Brian O'Donovan over in Boston, and I'd like to thank him for giving this little sing-song a shout out from his Celtic Sojourn program in Boston on WGBH over in Boston. So, are you ready? This is a great old-time waltz, so if you have a partner, grab her or him right now and get ready to sing and dance around the kitchen. Here we go. I wish in vain. I wish I was a maid again, but a maid again I will never be, till apples grow on an ivy tree. Oh, love is pleasing and love is teasing, and love is a pleasure when first is new. Oh, but as it grows older, love grows colder, and it fades away like the morning dew. Well, I left my father, I left declare. All together now. Oh, love is pleasing, and love is teasing, and love is a pleasure when first is new. Ah, but as it grows older, love grows colder, and it fades away like the morning dew. And love and porter makes a young man older. Love and whiskey makes him old and grey. Let that be a lesson to you. For what can't be cured, love must be endured, love. And now I am bound for America. Here we go now. Oh, love is pleasing, and love is teasing, and love is a pleasure when first is new. Ah, but as it grows older, love grows colder, and it fades away like the morning dew. And it fades away like the morning dew. Thank you very much for listening, for watching, for dancing, for singing. See you tomorrow for day 18. Plenty more songs where they came from. So see you tomorrow. And if you have any requests, send them in to me on a £5 note. And, no bother. Bye. Keep her lit.